If you visit Hank Young's Motorcycle Shop Facebook page, Young Choppers and Hot Rods, the tagline reads, "Providing bikes for the industry to copy since 2001. Hank Young has been building hot rods and choppers for 35 years now and is one of the best fabricators and designers in the world. He's won many awards both here in the States and across the pond in Europe, and has been featured on shows like Discovery Channel's Biker Build-Off. Hailing from Marietta, Georgia, Hank Young has few limitations when it comes to anything involving metal, wheels, and motors. A perfect example is this 2007 Lakewood Special that he built, and it's our Ride of the Week.
With CanDo, you can do diagnostics with confidence.
Hey everyone, I'm Greg Jones for Motorcycle and Powersports News. Today we're talking about Hank Young's 2007 Lakewood Special, a custom bike he built during his time on Discovery Channel's Biker Build-Off. At the core of Young's builds is the fact that he makes as much of the bike by hand as possible. You rarely find off-the-shelf, bolt-on parts on his bikes, as he prefers to shape, cut, and weld by hand. This pride in workmanship can be seen in every Hank Young creation. We got the chance to see this bike at the Crawford Automotive Museum in Cleveland as part of a Barber Museum motorcycle collection display. This custom Lakewood Special features a retro style, starting with the use of a 1961 Harley-Davidson panhead motor. The front suspension is a 1940s Springer design, and the rear suspension is controlled by an axle leaf spring from an old 1940s Ford truck. The headlight comes from a classic Essex automobile, and the air cleaner is a radiator cap from an old farm tractor. Nothing on this build is mass-produced. In Young's style, the bike features a use of old parts skillfully crafted to produce a very unique machine. Simply calling this bike a special construction doesn't even come close to doing it justice. Well, that does it for this episode of Ride of the Week. A special thanks to our sponsor, CanDo International. And remember, if you have a motorcycle, ATV, UTV, snowmobile, or jet ski that you'd like to see featured, please email me at gjones@babcox.com. We'll see you on the next ride.